Welcome to my channel. It's a small channel, but an honest channel where I load various products, mostly from Amazon, and I give you an honest review. This one in front of me is going for $409, but I got it on sale for $280 something plus tax, brought up to $290. And this thing here is kind of neat. Now, I own 5 of these, and 3 of them have died. So you can imagine I'm not exactly thrilled about investing in these type of vacuums anymore. But this is the first one with the self-emptying part. I like that a lot. But I want you to keep a couple things. Oops, what happened? I want you to keep a couple of things in mind. This thing does not have brushes at the bottom in the rotation department. It uses a type of squeegee system on your carpet. Secondly, this thing only has one spinning corner little brush, which is cool. I got no complaints with that. Now, you might hear some chiming because there's a dog that may walk by the house, and my camera system may detect it and give me a little chime to let me know someone's out front. Just ignore that. But I have to say, this thing is neat, and I'm going to activate it so y'all can see it and check it out. So let me go over here for a second. That's not where I wanted to go. Let's try this again. Let's go here and click on this. Now, that's the layout of my first floor. So it's not. So I have 3 stories. That's the middle story, and that's the pattern that it went. And it's really cool. You know, I have it set every morning to do its thing, and every evening after dinner for crumbs. So now watch this. I'm gonna activate it. Okay, so, and that should show it back out right there. You see that circle there? You know, they say give it X number of inches on both sides, but I'm going to tell you right now, this thing doesn't care. It is so precise. And this is the only one that I own that has some type of device on the top of its body that it actually scans the whole room. So in the evening, my camera system picks up that wiggly line shooting out of the top of that vacuum. And it's really cool. I have to say, I like it. I think it's neat. And so let me see, without showing you the whole house. You know, wife, you'd love that one, right? All right, let me see. I'm going to minimize that, open up my camera system. And there he is. Okay, he's going to make his rounds. Usually goes to the kitchen first, but I just set up play, let him go as he can go. His base is underneath the coffee pot. And it's really cool. It's basic. It's simple. Matter of fact, watch this. Let me minimize that. Go to that. Go here, and then tell him to dock himself. Okay. So he just spoke, right? You heard that? It's so accurate. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Other people have done reviews. You know, people do a lot of elaborate reviews. I'm a straight to your point kind of guy.
Charging. Emptying dustbin.
Ain't that cool? That's awesome. It does a good job on the floors. I can't complain. I'm going to have to send it around to do everything all over again anyways. And it will leave a trail and show everywhere it's been. And I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to give it 5 stars because let's be real here. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery for under, what? In my case, it was under $300. It got good star ratings. Let's see if I can scroll to them. All right, there we go. 2,837 people. Let me go look on the computer to see if I can give you a better accurate. My Samsung Galaxy Note does a really good job at recording, but some of the features are a little hard to reach. Let's see. Says out of 2,837 people, 67% of them gave it 5 stars. 13% gave it 4, 6% gave it 3, 3% gave it 2, and 11% gave it 1 I think it does a great job. Personally, doesn't have a mop in it, strictly a vacuum. But check this out. I'll show you the dirty man cave. 1 second. Here, there. All right, look at this. There's another one that works, but that one has a mop built in. Yeah, he's under my old toilet. Remember any of you that saw my video when I had meniscus surgery? I couldn't make it to the bathroom, so it was put. They put one of these would put in my man cave, and tell you I never got rid of it because when you only got one toilet in the house, boy oh boy, a backup helps. Anyhow, this one there I'll do another review for some other time. That has 2 brushes on both sides, and it has a little water thing in the back. It's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for viewing my channel. You know, we're a small channel, but it's an honest channel. I try to keep things real with y'all. I don't want to. You know, I'm sorry I don't make things all elaborate. Maybe if I did, you know, a big, amazing beginning. Welcome to Amazon Customer USA. I sound like Optimus Prime. All right, y'all have a good one. Thank you for viewing my channel. Y'all be safe out there. If you feel free to subscribe. It's a small channel, honest channel, and I always keep it real with you.